Oh man, it feels so good to be home. It's a good way to continue to hone your craft.
I could not pass up the opportunity to come back to the South Carolina Governor's School to support my sister friend Danielle Brooks in her inaugural CCC Monologue Competition.
I had a great experience today. It was lovely getting to meet everybody, and even though it's a competition, it was really enlisted in us that it's not a competition, it's just for team building, and I really appreciated that.
Remember that.
So I've started this monologue competition, Century Cycle's monologue competition for South Carolina high schoolers. But when I came to this school to audition, I didn't know what a monologue was. And I got that foundation. They taught me things and ended up going to Juilliard, and before you know it, landed myself on Broadway and all of the other things. So whomever is keeping the arts education strong here in South Carolina, thank you. Thank you. Let's keep that going. And I want to be a part of that. And that's why I created this.
Seeing how much talent is here in South Carolina and being able to put that on a stage and celebrate these Black and playwrights of color. That is also amazing what Danielle is doing and highlighting these voices and making sure that our stories continue to be told, that the cycle continues.
For me, this monologue competition was not just for Black kids. This was for white kids, Asian kids, Hispanic kids, whoever wants to apply can apply. But the words coming out of your mouth will be from a Black playwright.
Ownership and understanding that
I'm excited to see the people that come today, because to me, that is the tribe, that is the community. Those are the people that you can lean on. The people that are in the audience are the ones that are saying, I see you, I believe in you. And it starts there for me. So I'm excited to see who shows up for these kids, because I do believe that there are mentors in that room today.
Got a real selective memory.
I hope that y'all are so proud of yourselves. As long as it took us in there, that's because y'all were so excellent, and this was really, really beautiful.
I think the through line of this story that I am trying to share through this body that I've been given is to give, to be a giver, to be of service. I think that's truly what it's about.
Hearing that Danielle Brooks is also a woman of God really inspired me to even participate, and just seeing that you can have your faith in the media was really inspiring to me.
Susu's such an amazing human being and a wonderful actress. She's so knowledgeable about the craft, and so talking to her about it just really inspired me.
Knowing that they came here as high schoolers as I am, and how they just amassed to just being such great, just even celebrities, so one would say, just seeing that work that they've done and seeing that I can also do similar work and just being able to pass that on, I thought that was absolutely incredible. And just seeing a person of color going out and doing amazing, and a woman at that, being amazing is just so, it's uplifting. As somebody who doesn't really see themselves in the media a lot, it was amazing to see her.
There has been so many people that have poured into me throughout my whole career, personally, all of that. And I think it's important that you give that back. And so I hope that's what I leave, what people feel from me, is, you get that through the work that I do on stage, TV, and film, but you also get that personally. And especially to my hometown, I want to give that back.